Ever wondered how you could make the most out of the rainy season in your garden? Rain gardens are the answer, merging environmental benefits with aesthetic appeal. They conserve water and reduce pollution, transforming the landscape beautifully. If you're intrigued, stay tuned to learn how to create your own rain garden. The first step in creating a rain garden is choosing the right location. It's crucial to select a spot where water naturally pools or where downspouts can be rerouted. Remember to steer clear of underground utilities, large trees, and areas within 10 feet of your home. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, you're ready for the next step. Now, let's dive into the fun part, designing your rain garden. The first step is to determine the size and depth based on your yard's capacity and the amount of runoff water. Once that's done, you're on to the exciting part, choosing your plants. Opt for native species, as they're well suited to your local climate and can absorb copious amounts of water. Their deep roots will help create channels for the water to infiltrate the soil. With your design ready, you're all set to start digging. Now comes the part where you get your hands dirty constructing your rain garden. Start by digging your garden, following the design you created. You'll want to layer the bottom with porous materials like gravel or crushed stone. Then, add a layer of enriched soil on top. Next, plant your chosen flora, ensuring they're well spaced. Don't forget to mulch the garden to retain moisture and create a berm, a small mound of dirt, around the edges to help contain water. Congratulations! You just created your own rain garden. Creating a rain garden might seem like a lot of work, but the benefits are worth it. Remember, start by finding the right location, then design your garden to fit your space, and finally, construct it with love and patience. Not only will you have a beautiful garden to enjoy, but you'll also contribute to a greener environment. So why not start your own rain garden? It's a rewarding experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!